Have a wonderful day at school, Milo. Bye-bye, Mama. See you later.
Good morning, everyone. Let's learn.
I'm so sleepy.
A is for apple, apple.
See? Yay! Yarn!
What is that noise?
Tee-hee! It's Milo! Milo will love these treats.
Oh my! That is quite a sound!
Wacky, wacky, Milo.
Meow! What happened? Oops. Was I sleeping? You were snoring like a little bear. Sorry, everyone. I'll stay awake now.
Good job today, Milo.
Hello, my sweet boy. How was school? Mama, I fell asleep in class. Oh, my sleepy kitten. We must go to bed earlier. Yum. Thank you, Mama. Good night. Good night, my brave student. I'll be wide awake tomorrow. Yay!